While there are numerous at-home treatments for sinus infections, the fastest way to get rid of one is to seek treatment from a professional. The reason this is the fastest solution is that we use advanced diagnostic tools to determine the root cause of your infection. This is especially important if you suffer from chronic sinus infections that interfere with your ability to live your life the way you want to live it because of pain or activity avoidance. Sinusitis is a sinus infection caused by an inflammation of the lining of the sinuses and is characterized by facial pain, tenderness, swelling, nasal congestion, intensive headaches, and even a fever. Chronic sinusitis and acute sinusitis have similar signs and symptoms, but acute sinusitis is a temporary infection of the sinuses often linked to a cold, and its signs and symptoms last shorter and cause less fatigue. Fever isn't a common sign of chronic sinusitis, but it can occur in the case of acute sinusitis. Fortunately, it can be naturally treated with remedies that destroy the viruses and bacteria that cause it, and hydrogen peroxide is one of the most powerful among them. The combination of hydrogen peroxide and sea salt functions much in the same way as a traditional saline rinse with a few added benefits. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural disinfecting agent, so it works to eliminate the infection that may be associated with the condition. The added salt helps restore osmotic balance in the mucous membranes as well as relieve congestion. It is a potent disinfecting agent that thins mucus and clears the sinuses. Its combination with sea salt is a saline rinse that naturally treats sinusitis without causing any side effects. Sea salt actually restores the osmotic balance in the mucous membranes. Now, here is how to prepare this natural remedy. Add half teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide and a teaspoon of sea salt to 6 ounces of warm filtered water. Stir and pour the solution into a nasal sprayer. Then, spray the mixture directly into the nose, and allow it to drain through the mouth. Repeat several times daily, until all the symptoms disappear. Yet should immediately visit a doctor in case you experience any of the following symptoms, which indicate a serious infection: high fever, severe headaches, stiff neck, swelling or redness around your eyes, confusion, double vision, or other vision changes.